second one.
Go.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing another taste test. I'm here with my cousin,
Peace.
Addison, and we're just gonna do another taste test. Let's get set up, and we'll be right back.
So what we're gonna do? Well, I don't have my glasses on, but so what we're gonna do is there's 2 cups right there, and Madeline, Seth's
Our
sister,
cameraman
our cameraman is right there filming, and there are 12 cans, and they're already open because already open. But she's gonna show you all the can and then pour them in there, and we're gonna try to guess what they are. And we don't know the sodas, so we just have to guess. So let's go.
Alright, guys, but the reason why we're doing this video so late is because we did the video one time already, but my stupid self went on there and tried to upload the first video we did, and
Accidentally deleted it.
and I deleted it. So I guess we'll just get set up and get ready for this video.
Okay, here y'all go.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I know what it is. He hates it. Here. 1, 2, 3. Lemonade.
Yep. Here.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, here's the second one.
I know what this is. 3, 2, 1.
Regular
Coke
Coke.
Zero.
Seth got it.
What? Oh, okay.
Here.
1, 2, 3. I know what this is. 3.
1, 2, 3, go.
Great.
Great Fanta.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, here I go.
3, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mellow
Sprite.
Yellow.
Addison got it right.
Yes.
We're equal now.
Yes.
Here you go.
I got in Pop's truck this morning and that happened to me.
One, 2, 3.
Fruit
Minute Maid
Punch.
Fruit Punch.
Yep. Both got it right.
And you said Minute Maid.
Here you go.
1, 2, 3.
That is good.
1, 2, 3. Strawberry Fanta.
Yep.
Thank God, don't pour it.
3, 2, 1.
Hang on.
Oh, I don't know. It's either Diet Coke
Oh,
or
I know it.
Zero.
Choose one.
3, 2.
No.
1.
Let her decide.
I don't want to get it wrong.
All right, I'm gonna just do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Diet Coke.
0.
Addison got it.
Yes!
No, it ain't. That's diet.
You didn't buy no Diet Coke.
Yes, I did.
Last one.
Oh, yeah.
Here you go.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Orange Fanta.
Yep. All right.
Okay, thank you guys so much for coming along and watching this video.
And it was a tie, so.
But
I guess we're
yes,
really good.
Let me finish talking. That's the end of the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I guess we'll let her get finished with what she wants to say before I get into the video. Go ahead.
Anyways, let's hope he doesn't delete it this time.
Maybe not.
But it was a tie, as you noticed. Well, it was, both of
I
us
think
got
I
one
won
wrong.
that one.
No, you didn't.
It was a tie, I think.
Yeah, it was a tie. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Go subscribe to him.
Nigga, this is my channel. They probably are. But thank you guys so much for coming along on this channel.
Okay.
And I guess We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Well, guys, my favorite one out of these, we had more, but on the first video, we actually got rid of a couple of them. My favorite out of these was probably the strawberry Fanta. Thank you guys for coming along. I guess I've already outroed this video. I just wanted to show you guys what my favorite one was. But thank you guys for coming along. I guess we'll see you guys next time. Bye.